Your exhaustion isn't a weakness, it's a fracture waiting to be sealed with gold. In a world obsessed with perfection and non-stop productivity, collapsing can feel like the ultimate failure. But what if it wasn't? In Japanese philosophy, a broken object repaired is more beautiful than a new one. This is the heart of kintsugi. Your burnout isn't something a weekend off can fix. It needs a new approach. The Kintsugi Protocol teaches us that our emotional scars, when we accept and illuminate them, become our greatest source of resilience. First, we collect the fragments by identifying which parts of our lives feel shattered. Then, we use radical self-care as the resin to bond those pieces back together. Finally, the gold dusting. This is where you stop just surviving and start truly flourishing. You'll learn to see your struggles not as mistakes, but as the beautiful, unique lines that tell your story of survival. You're not broken, you're becoming a masterpiece. Subscribe to learn how to shine through your cracks.